Hello, really quickly before the video starts, I just wanted to say that this is more of a test run video than anything. This is the first video that I'm editing on my new computer, and this is the first time that I'm using the editing program that I'm using, so this is really me just trying to get a hang of the program and like how everything works. I never really intended on actually posting any of these clips on YouTube, so that's why a lot of them just kind of seem random, and yeah, I had to try and make it make sense. But regardless, enjoy the video. Subscribe if you want. Enjoy seeing me put together my very first gaming setup. Hey guys, my name is Jalen. I'm going to be making a PC to impress Corpse. Hi, I'm actually building the PC. She's just doing the intro for me. Okay, go. Okay. First step what? First step, open. Open. Not even. Second step, glue. Third step, fans. Do the long one. Glue? Third step, temperature glue. Thermal paste? Yes. Third step, lights. Third step was thermal paste. Fourth step, lights. Fifth, start. Okay. What is the first step? Okay, well, hi, my name's Jalen, or Bug. And today we're gonna be building a gaming PC. We as in me, because I'm the only one who knows how to do it. I'm just gonna ask questions and be here for moral support and scream. Yeah. I'll list the PC part picker list in the description. Don't roast me. I've never done this before. Oh, my sock. Okay, can you listen to Phoebe Bridgers? Okay, but you have to be camera. No. Okay, this is what we're starting out with. That's my case. This is all the parts that we're gonna use. First thing, motherboard. Duh. I'm just a T. What? Nothing. Are you excited? Yeah, duh. Ah! Okay, I don't know how to film this. This is gross. This is the motherboard. I'm gonna start by putting in the processor. Ew. I'm scared I'm gonna break it, but I also know that I probably won't. Okay, there's the CPU. It's upside down. No, it's not. You're supposed to follow the arrow and put it where the arrow is.
Whoa.
She just put it in that thing.
You didn't use the bracket?
The tweezers. Does it matter where you put it? Yeah. Ooh. Honestly, most of this footage is just your arm. Do better. How? There's the RAM. It lights up on the top. Cute. Oh my god, there's so many parts. What is this? Oh. That looks like the thing inside of Iron Man. Holy.
Whoa.
Holy shit. Do you know what that is? Yeah, it's the cooler. Like, do you know what it is? Honestly, most of this footage is probably not usable. Okay, then stop recording. Okay, so it is a bit later, and I stopped filming just because I wasn't saying anything and I was just focusing on the build. But I finished the motherboard, installed the SSD, the cooler, the RAM, and now I'm gonna start prepping the case. Okay, so a little update for you guys. It is the next day and my PC is not built because Amazon sent me the wrong size motherboard. The one I ordered was a mini ATX motherboard, and the one they gave me was a full ATX motherboard, so of course it did not fit in my mini tower case. But last night I ordered a new case from Fry's and we picked it up today. I think I might finish it today. Or, I don't know, let's take a look at it. This is the box for my new case, Argus M1 mid-tower PC case. Yeah, and it supports the motherboard that I need it to support. So fun. It's black. I was kind of excited about the pink case, but I'm honestly not that mad about it because, like, mostly everything else is black, besides my keyboard and mouse being pink. So it also has like RGB, I don't know, hold on, I'll show you back. Alright, this is what the case looks like out of the box. It comes with one fan, but it has like this part right here. It like lights up and you can control the colors on it, so kind of fits my theme pretty well still. Okay, moment of truth. I need to, where's the on button? Is it this one? Wow. Yay! Cool! Oh my god. Look, the RAM and the fan.
Name every single part ever.
Every single part ever?
If you have a computer, okay, name every part.
Oh my god, how long have we been sitting here? Like 3, 2, how many hours?
3 days. At least.
Kona, the gaming chair came in. Come on, Kona, let's go. Let's go. The hell, there's tape literally everywhere.
Hey, TikTok, I have so many questions.
My TikTok?
Yeah, about your computer. Someone asked what mouse you have.
I commented back. I responded to all of them.
It's just gonna be like 10 minutes.
Hey!
Eating the ball.
Stop. You weirdo. What is this box? I'm so confused. Oh, was I supposed to do this? Ha ha ha. Are you eating something?
What the hell? Kona!
Weirdo. Hey!
Kona!
Oh god.
Can I do it?
Do what?
Film it.
Yeah.
What is that? Headrest?
Or the footrest.
There's a footrest?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's so cute.
Oh my god, you just hit her.
Can you?
It looks like a car seat. There's jewel on it.
Yeah. Get away.
What are those things?
What?
What are those things? Those circle things behind you?
The wheels for the chair.
Oh. Kona, move.
What is that?
It's just her butt in the camera. Smack him.
Is that what you meant?
No. Do it. No, you have to push it in. You've never seen someone make a chair before?
No.
You have to
Actually, yeah.
have it click in.
How do you know?
That's how you make chair. Do
Uh,
you want me to do it?
yeah.
Okay.
Hello? What the hell? Okay, now this goes in. Stop. Hey, come back.
Ooh, what's going on, girls?
Chair.
Ooh, look at this. Oops, I'm in your shot.
It doesn't matter.
Kona's butt was in it, so it's actually fine.
Ah. How do I put this? Oh, Jesus. Nice. Now I gotta bring it upstairs. Come.
And when the lights
Look,
Oh,
Kona.
wow, it does that?
Get her, Kona.
Wow.
and the stars.
That's so awesome.
I'm taking a nap in this.
Yeah, so you have to go outside once in a while, okay?
Okay. Okay, now time for the grand finale. Now that you've seen all the parts separately, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like all together and all set up and running and everything. Okay, so here's what the setup looks like all put together. First things first though, please ignore my cable management. I'm still working on that. And like this looks nice and all, but it looks so much better when everything is powered on and running. So if we just come over here and push the on button, my PC comes on. But there's like pink RGB on my case, and then it matches my mouse pad, which is really cute. Okay, these are my headphones, and this is a Minecraft piggy bank. And he just holds my headphones. This desk is really nice because it actually came with like this shelf that holds my PC, and it like fits perfectly. You guys saw this earlier, but like here's another look at the PC. There's the bars from the shelf in the way, but like you could still see pretty well. I think I did the cable management inside pretty decently. This is my monitor and I really like it. It's curved, and these are actually supposed to go on my headphones, and they're supposed to be like cat ears, but sometimes I don't want to wear them, so I just put them on my monitor so I don't lose them. This wallpaper is really cool. It's from Wallpaper Engine. It's audio responsive, so if you're like playing music on Spotify, then like the portal will like pulse and change lighting. It's cool. So here is my setup all together again, but with everything turned on. As you can see, I have like the black and pink theme going on, which wasn't intentional, but I'm glad that it happened because it's really cute and I love it a lot. I really like my setup. And just for reference, this used to be my old setup. Like on my drawer where I keep clothes in, and on top is like my makeup desk. I used to game on my Apple laptop and an Apple mouse that has no distinction between left and right click, and it doesn't even have a scroll wheel, so you can only imagine getting shit on in Bed Wars with this setup. But of course now I have this, and I still get shit on in Bed Wars, so not much has changed. And with all of that said and done, this concludes my very long process of putting together my very first gaming setup. I'm super happy with how it came out. Not really too sure what other content I'm going to be posting on this channel, but I'll figure that out soon. But again, subscribe if you want, if you enjoyed the video. If you want to find me other places like Twitter, Instagram, I post a lot on TikTok. I'm really active on there, so if you ever want to interact with me, that's the place to do it. But otherwise, thank you for watching. See you in the next one, hopefully.